Hi there, and in this episode I'm going to be showing you the new TX-NR515 featuring QDO up to 4K video scaling, Odyssey 2EQ auto microphone setup, also dynamic EQ and dynamic volume, along with our very famous RAT amplification which uses fully discrete sound stages. Now across the front of the unit we've got a direct HDMI input which will also handle the MHL, headphone sockets, a tone button plus and minus so you can adjust the bass and treble, and a pure audio button so you can have that high quality stereo listening experience. Also the 515 has a Zone 2 out. Also the 515 has direct access to the listening modes with a movie, music and game button. And here we have the nav dial which you can use for the tuning or the preset, or alternatively you can use to help you go through the setup menu, either on the screen or actually on the front display of the unit itself. And finally the all important USB with direct iPod access. Also, as you can see, is where you plug in the setup mic or you can run composite video. Let's take a look at the back, shall we? We've now added a rear USB for the small hard drives and pen sticks. You can also use the UFW one if you want to run wireless instead of wired. We've got the Ethernet port, we've got 4 digital inputs, 2 optical, 2 coaxial, which are all assignable, and we've got the Onkyo RI connection if you're connecting it to a CD player or iPod dock. There's a single component video in and component out. The component is assignable. You've got AM, FM aerial inputs because it does have a built-in tuner. And then we've given you 7 HDMIs on the back, including the one on the front. So that's 8 in total. And then just to improve things a little bit more, we've actually now put 2 HDMI outputs on the back of the 515. The main output supports ARC, the sub output doesn't, but it does mean you can actually run 2 displays, a projector and a plasma, so there's even now more versatility. Not forgetting the analog connections. There's a specific one for TV or CD which is separated. Then we've got composite video connections for specific sources and analog connections which are tied to that, so you can run direct in on the audio. We've got Zone 2 pre-out so you can send it off to a power amp in another room, and we've also got 2 subwoofer outputs, one for the main system and the other subwoofer output is for the Zone 2. And last but not least is the speaker connections. There's actually a specific output for Zone 2, so you can just plug some speakers in and away you go. Then we have the binding posts for all other channels, but you will actually have to make a choice between surround back or front high. Again, because they're 9mm binding posts and they do allow banana plugs, it is just a simple case of removing the black insert in the middle of the binding post, as I'm doing here, and then you're ready to go. And of course all of the posts can actually have the insert removed in exactly the same way. Well, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Take care, bye bye.